Alright, we're about to go in. It's about to storm too. Pre-production offices, Los Angeles, August 1991. Holy crap, I used to have that computer. No. Here's some more stuff. Velociraptor. Oh. The shirts.
Mama? So this is how they made it. So we're in the production.
Yeah. Here's some more shirts. This one's pretty neat. Oh, they have the door and it's a wax. That's really cool. Over here in the other corner, they have like renderings of what it's going to look like. Look at that. That's really cool. They have some pillows over there. Amber, Sam would love this. They have the Tyrannosaurus Rex right there. And then up top. Wow. They have like poncho looking things too. That's really cool. They have more merch.
This is
Yeah, oh man, what's his name? Yeah. They have the drinks. Yeah, that's his name in the movie, but what's his real name?
Ian Milk. Dr. Ian Milk.
Yeah. And then they have some renderings of the vehicles. And by the way, the guy's name is Jeff Goldblum. Amber found herself a Jeep. It's like, I don't know if that's Japanese or not. That's really cool though. I saw Amber's back of the head. She wants to broke the glass. That's really neat. Isn't it crazy? You're not gonna be able to hear Amber, but isn't it crazy that it's already at 30 years? It's okay, we just celebrated 18 years, so I guess we're kind of old. License plates. No, not this time. I got too many of those. As you say. She asked me if I wanted that cup. They have a purse for $90. And then over here, they have like pins and stuff too. It's really cool. That fabrication video of how they came out with the designs and everything. Wow. And they always want to look up because you always miss some details. More renderings, and then over here, sorry for the spin, is the costuming. And we got Mr. DNA cups. They have a sweatshirt, black and a white one, and then they have a long t-shirt over here. And then they have dioramas for $1,200. That's crazy. And the makers of the Jurassic Park is Engine. They have some merch for that too. And over there they got some more like tumblers and Jurassic Park merch. Amber, I think we're going to the laboratory. Look at all this merch. Don't ruin it. She's like, woo! They have some more generic shirts. Let's see. That works. You need that. I'm a sucker for a pullover shirt. That looks really cool.
I'm gonna just take a picture of Jeff.
And they have a photo op that you can do inside the kitchen with the raptor. That's cool. It's not blue, but it'll have to do. So they have some Japanese merch. I would think it's Japanese. I'm not sure, but they have some more merch here. I like this green. It's really cool. And they got some Legos. They have blue and beta. Whoa! Oh yeah, I remember this scene. Amber, go sit on the toilet. Remember that scene when he eats the guy from the outhouse? That's funny. Amber. So, check it out. This dad was like, have you ever seen Jurassic Park to his kids? And the kids were like, no. I know, that's crazy. And they have some more stuff over there. And then they got the, I don't know what kind of dinosaur this is, but it's a spitting one. That's really cool. Alright, so we're going to stage 28. Looks like they have some more of the same merch. Coming back over here, they got some shirts from like, it looks like Japan. That's a pass holder shirt. Behind you. Oh, that's a plush. Yeah, up top. Yeah. It's the pass holder. Oh, that way I don't have to reach. I like it. It's kind of cool though.
That's what I saw earlier in our first room.
Yeah. We never done a wax collectible, but they have a raptor claw for this one. It's $8. And then more of the same merch here. You need to start going behind me because you keep like spoiling it for me. They have some cool looking merch here. Look up top, you have the Jurassic. And then you have the entrance. Look how cool that is. And as usual, we gotta look at the snacks. Look at that. I know. Then they have the cookie dough. They have the Ian Malcolm brownie. I like that.
I want a cookie.
You want a cookie? Which one?
That might get all over your teeth, but then I glue will get all over your teeth.
I know.
So what do we get?
Look at this. That's really cool. And this is all the merch from like back then. I bet you Amber had the lunchbox. Yeah. Those are pups.
Pogs.
Those are
Pogs. Not
pogs.
pups. Pogs.
Yeah, the other stuff's the pugs. Pogs. I stand corrected. Yeah, but I don't see a slammer. Oh no, that is a slammer right there.
That one's a slammer. All these others are the pogs. I think I had them on Fridays with pizza. We used to get pogs.
Yeah. Cause you're a nerd. All right, showing our age real quick. Who remembers having that? I used to have the baseball game.
But wait, it gets better. Look up.
Oh, and it has a thermos. Look at that.
I could have more stuff over here.
They have more stuff here. The VHS and the game.
It's like a thinner version of
Guys, I found the coins. Look.
You can't go to the tribute store without getting some cookies or some snacks or whatever. Look at this. Bingo, Dino DNA, and Jurassic Park. These are just like really photogenic looking cookies.
I'm scared of
She's like, I don't want it to be on my teeth. They're colors. We'll see. Please be gentle if we do have blue and black on our teeth, guys.
Just pretend it's not there.
Teeth check. I'm just kidding. How was your cookie? It's messy. You didn't care for the fondant.
No, I was scared that it was gonna take your.
Did it do mine? No. Good thing I'm behind the camera.
I'll take it.
No. So it's about to storm.
Oh, check your teeth first. I like the cookie. I just didn't like the fondant. It was really like thick. It was pretty to take a picture of, but that's about it.
It was good. Come back and get another one.
You said it was good. Would we come back and get another one? I don't know. Maybe for pretty.
Maybe the Malcolm brownie.
The what? Milk brownie?
Malcolm. Ian Malcolm.
Oh, the Malcolm brownie maybe?